Hi, my name is Violeta and we're making sugar skulls today with 3 easy ingredients, some sugar, some merengue powder, and some water. You need a mixing bowl. You mix the 6 cups of sugar, a 1/4 cup of merengue powder, and 6 tablespoons of water. First, you mix the dry ingredients. Make sure that all the lumps are out, and then you mix that in with your hands and make sure that the sugar is sticky. You take your mold, you put the sugar into the mold, you pack it in as hard as you can, make sure there's no air bubbles, and as soon as that's packed in and flat on the back, you can put it onto some parchment paper and a baking sheet, turn it over, make sure to tap it, make sure everything's out. Otherwise, if any part of it is stuck into the mold, you have to repack it. You let that dry for 24 hours. And once that's dry for 24 hours, you can decorate it with your icing gel. Some of the ideas are making sure that the sockets are black. So you can start with that. And then you can add some crosses. Those are traditional. In the middle of the forehead, that's a traditional place. The teeth, making those black. Then flowers are traditional. The little dots are traditional. Well, after you've decorated it, you're done. You can put it on your altar and you can save it for as many years as it'll stay dry for, as long as you store it in a dry place. Bring it out every year. Enjoy these sugar skulls.